Previously on First Travel and Eats. Yo! Look at this! That's the end of the review. There's like a little bite. Oh my god, you actually ate all of it. That was it. Our heroes had a great time at Gacha, though they haven't found any food that impressed them as much as in Italy. Will they find a restaurant that satisfies their high-class taste? What fun things do they have planned for the weekend? Stay tuned in to find out. So we're headed to my sisters for a weekend kind of trip. Yeah, I don't know. What else do you have to say?
Or you should tell them where we are.
Well, we don't want to say too much, right? We're in Nassau County. We'll give it that.
Awesome.
Why? Update, we're at Tappen Beach. That's what it's called. Let's just give another view of the place. I wonder if that's Connecticut. I actually do not know. I think it is, actually. Maybe. No, wait. I don't know, actually. No, actually, I don't think that's Connecticut. Connecticut's like all the way over there. Like all the way over there. I'm pretty sure we're in like a bay kind of thing. And yeah, it's like a really nice beach. There's like a restaurant over there. They were singing earlier. Looks like there's some bonfires. Yeah. A nice weekend at the sisters. Oh yeah, I just looked on Google Maps. It's the short opposite is Great Neck, not Connecticut. I did not know my sense of directions. But I wanted to take another video of the great scenery over here. Looks a lot better in person, but I'm sure you'll appreciate it for those who enjoy the great scenery. Looks really nice. Alright, it might be a little dark now, but I'm at like the water. It's a little rocky, so do be watch out if you're on this beach and barefooted. Lots of rocks. But otherwise, a very pristine beach. Alright, we're looking at the restaurant that we saw earlier. It's Seafood American. So if you ever want to go here to Tappen Beach, I think. Yeah. So, yeah.
It's okay. Hey Andy, you're the driver. You should do your own like. It's a gay pool, you know?
here for some garage sales. I hope you could hear me. Remember, Lisa, you gotta speak up louder. There's some nice looking houses here.
Each house looks different.
Yes, very different. And what was this Garden City property? I'll look back at the thing.
Look at this church.
Alright, update. I didn't film the garages because they were like, it was kind of private property, so I didn't feel comfortable filming them. But very boring, not that much.
I think people are selling items that they don't need in a sense, but you definitely see like they were from like last times, aka I don't want to say last century, but some things were nice and antique. But then I would think like, oh, what's the point of buying it although we can admire it? Because like we're not gonna use it. Some of the things we don't even know how to use, like a loaf pan. How often are you gonna bake your own bread?
Yeah.
Do you know how to make?
No.
Do you know how yeast works?
No. It wasn't as good as like the last garage sales we went to. Like I bought a monitor that was like maybe priced for like $75 for only $5.
I did see like a doll. Like I thought it was a triangle doll. It kind of did look like it. It did have like the jester hat thingy. I didn't ask for the price because like I felt it was kind of big. When I want a triangle, small. Next time we go Italy.
Next time.
It's only in the north of Italy. We were like too south, mid-south. Yes, there's a really nice house there. With a nice car.
Where?
Bathrooms.
Oh my god, okay, whatever. Alright, we're eating at this place, Havana. What? What? Alright, we're seated down in the restaurant at Havana Central. Here.
Havana Central.
Speak a little louder, please.
Happy hour times. Kids eat for free, and every Friday in July and August, you know, they know when it's summer break time, you guys bring your kids around. Let me see.
Now let's look at the menu.
It's already set 2 pages.
Is it only 2 pages?
2 pages.
Oh.
So what are you interested in having?
I don't know, I didn't even look. I'm just filming.
Pick Cuban combo platters.
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm going to...
Alright. This place has a pretty nice atmosphere. But yeah, this is a very nice Cuban atmosphere-ish, which is perfect because it's, you know, Havana.
They even have recycled straws. That's why our straws are different colors.
Yeah, wait, let me get that. Oh yeah, I forgot to film the cover of this nice menu. It's a picture of Cuba, if you guys didn't notice. For those who don't know. We order empanada. About what did we order?
Empanada sampler.
Yeah, but which ones?
Ropa vieja, chicken, and I forgot what the other one was.
Alright, yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright. Alright, look at that sad piece of meat that Lisa dropped. It's right there on the right. Oh, what are you doing?
feeling of this.
Alright, Lisa, how's your meatless empanada?
It's so good and crispy on the outside. Oh, but you know what we're missing? Salsa.
Oh. Oh yeah, from the other one that we ate at, right? Oh. Here's the sauce.
Oh, it's avocado.
No, like,
Ready?
How's it? Is it good?
Definitely not avocado. It's
What is it? Well,
salsa with a green pepper.
well, how is it?
There's garlic in it.
Is it good? That's what I'm asking.
You have to let me chew the food and swallow it before I know if it's good or not. I just put it in my mouth and you're like, oh my god, it's the best thing in the world.
Well, I need to eat too. I haven't eaten yet.
It is pretty good. Here. You want salsa? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Crunchy.
You should try some of the salsa. And how is it?
That's really good. Don't know, the garlic sauce might be a bit strong, but it's okay. But the empanada by itself is pretty good. So get the empanada if you're over here.
Empanada sampler.
Alright, Lisa got some more. Wait, what was this? Pork?
This the beef one. The pork has been fully shredded. Are you recording?
Yep. Go eat it.
I like the salsa. It actually is refreshing.
Really? I think it's the garlic might be a bit much.
It's a bit strong, yes, but it's refreshing. Very sorry to empanada lovers.
Go eat it. How's it?
Salsa goes better with the pork.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
It's better with the sauce, right?
There, yeah. Alright, we got a tower of food. Oh my god. And rice and beans. We got some pork, some, I don't know, bananas, some salmon. Yeah. Yeah, but looks like a feast. Yeah, you can start eating. I was just taking an extra. Yeah, give me a second. I'm just doing another. So as you watch me eating, let me explain what we got. We got the tour of Havana for $29.95 USD. It was a tower of things you see on the screen. I'm bad at pronunciation. Don't make me say it. It also came with rice and beans as well. Me and Lisa were full from it alone, almost besides the appetizers. So it was like $15 for two. Not bad, really. All three dishes were awesome, but I especially liked the chicken at the bottom. Very crunchy. As you see, I was a little bit busy eating, enjoying my food because it was really good. But yeah, Havana Central. There's one in Times Square and one on Roosevelt Field. Definite visit.
Go there if you're in the area. Now watch me and Lisa eat our delicious Cuban food.
You want to record yourself? Did you try the bottom one? Nice and crispy. I think so, yeah. Yeah. They have this nice thing for Instagram.
Oh wait, take a picture here so we can have it for the top of the video.
Oh. Alright, we're off to see my sister again. Anything you want to say?
Going to a buffet.
We're going to a buffet?
I'm sorry.
Alright, we're at my sister's. The music might be really loud, but I hope you can hear me. Here's a big crowd for the... Here's a big crowd. The big crowd for the fireworks. Hopefully it's really amazing. You might notice a drop in quality. I forgot my camera, so you might have to suffer with poor quality with this video with the fireworks.
Art restaurants and other events to keep our village a championship community. This holiday, we're celebrating the Declaration of Independence, which established a new country away from British. Our forefathers ratified the Declaration of Independence July 4th, and the United States of America was born. Regardless. Here.
Next time on First Travel and Eats, our travelers head to the second largest Hindu temple in the world.
Just want to show you there are two guys.
Wait.
Two motorcyclists speeding on the highway, and they're not
racing.
I guess.
Right, we're at the center of the plaza of the temple.
Which one of those racing motorcyclists won the race? What surprises lay in store for our travelers at this temple? Tune in next week to find out. Also leave a comment on whether you've been to Havana Central and how you thought it was. And remember to like and subscribe.